My name is Tom Williams. I am the owner of T. Williams Roofing. I've been in business for 3 years now in Texas. I ran my father's roofing company in Chicago for 6 years. And in those 3 years, we've replaced over 300 roof replacements in the Houston market. We specialize in residential roofs, from retail to insurance work. We are there to get you a deductible roof. I love the roofing business because it's all about helping homeowners. Everybody has a roof, and everyone's roof is going to need to be replaced in 20 to 25 years. I'm a big believer in holding your insurance company accountable for the damage and getting you a roof at a 75% discount. So my two best-selling shingles are going to be the Owens Corning Duration and the Owens Corning HP Weather Guard. Obviously, the Owens Corning is the Pink Panther, America's most trusted shingle manufacturer. The difference between the two shingles is the Duration shingle is made for high winds and has a white strip to ensure that the guys don't miss high or low on the nailing zone. The HP Weather Guard is a Class 4 impact resistant shingle that's made to withstand 2-inch hail. So in most cases, it qualifies homeowners for discounts upwards of 12 to 20% on their insurance premiums moving forward. The biggest advice that I could give to a homeowner looking to hire a contractor right now is to get a roofing contractor to represent you to your insurance company. Your roof is old. If you're thinking about replacing it out of pocket, I understand that. The worst thing an insurance adjuster can do is come out and say, no, you have regular wear and tear, you need to pay for this thing yourself. The best thing they could do is chalk it up for hail or wind damage and buy you a brand new roof, holding you accountable for your deductible and not a penny more.